Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S22. We are not going to talk about the phone, we are going to talk about something very important that no one addressed. Please subscribe my channel and share this video, and please press the bell button every time when I have a new video, you will have a notifications, alright? So we're going to talk about something very important, something that Samsung did, but no one talk about this, and I think this is very important for everybody to know. So a lot of people do not talk what Samsung did. Everybody knows there's an S22 series out here, but it doesn't matter if you're iPhone users or Huawei users or Google users, you should know what Samsung did. So what did Samsung do this year? They actually use recycled materials to build the box and to build the backing of the phone. So this is not a regular smartphone anymore. This is actually recycled materials smartphone. It's something that Samsung did. It's actually first ever smartphone industry did this, and it's a first step to save the world. And don't you want to save the world? I mean, look at the pollution that what we did for the world, and it's just time for us to step up and clean it up. And Samsung actually took the first step and did this. This is not a regular Samsung Galaxy S22. This is a recycled material S22, the boxing and everything. And Samsung already announced that they are going to take more than 2 tons of recycled materials to build the near future smartphones, Z Fold or Z Flip phones. Doesn't matter if you're iPhone users or Google users, you know this is a very important for everyone. So let's take a step forward and look into this phone, and this is a really important information for everyone to know. Alright, let's save the world. Let's take our first step to save this world. Okay, it's very important. Please subscribe my channel and share this video, and this is the first step to save the world. Alright, let's enjoy and be safe and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.